guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Useful DIY Challenge hosted by two of my friends, MomDas, well, there are three, MomDas from MomDas Life Hand Made, and Dyanne and Janny from Deco. And they wanted us to make a painted project, and for that I'm gonna take this unfinished tray I found at my local dollar store. I paid 99 cents because it was damaged here. You're not gonna see that part. So the first step, we're gonna spray paint it in black. Yeah, I know that's weird, but we're gonna do some painting techniques so we cannot see that black. So let's get started. While our tray is drying from the spray paint, we're gonna get our brush ready. So for that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start cutting small dents on a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll as I'm using. And what we do is just this small dents on our paper roll. When we finish cutting, what we're going to do is we're going to open our brush like so. That's my son. He's having fun. And like that, we have our brush. Now for our next step, we have our tray with our base coat. It was flat black from Rust-Oleum, and we're gonna give it a top coat of white, but it won't be like too covering because we want some of this black to show. So let's get started. And now we're gonna pour some white paint and start with our brush to give it like a wash of the paint, like a dry brushing effect, so you can see the black. And we're gonna do that all around our tray. We're gonna continue doing it all around our tray. On the inside, we're gonna do the same, but watching that we get same side strokes. So all of our brush strokes go the same way. If you see, even if I put them on the side, then I go over with my brush. We're gonna do that even at the top rim, everywhere, same thing, that dry brushing effect all over our tray. Now I'm going over the corners to get paint in our corners. And now we're gonna start doing our dandelions by using the brush we prepared, dipping it in paint and putting it on our inside of the tray a couple of times. Now we're gonna mix gold with that white or green color, and we're gonna repeat the same steps. Dip it and put it on our tray. Now with the gold, only the gold, we're gonna do the same steps. You can see my son is playing in the side. And now with the pink, we're gonna repeat the same steps. He's just really enjoying it. He wanted to do the same thing. Now with a darker pink, we're gonna do the exact same thing, mixing, dipping, and putting. Now we're gonna give it some brush strokes in the inside so it looks like we have some of those leaves, let's say leaves or petals on the inside. And for the last thing, we're gonna add 2 lines, small lines, so we can see they are flowers. Then we're gonna add with our gold, and we're gonna start doing our letters. Yes, my son keeps playing all around our project. He just wanted to be part of it. Alright, that's how it looks with the love and the dandelions. It just looks beautiful. And now we're gonna give it some shade to our stems using our black paint. We're gonna paint lines on the side of the pink lines we already made. And that's because it gives dimension and also makes it look a lot more beautiful. And now, next step, it's gonna be, I'm starting to give it some shade to the word, but I won't like how it turns out. So I decided to paint over, and after I paint over, the gold that was in the bottom part showed the black, and it looks beautiful, just beautiful. And now I'm starting to paint it over, and as you can see, I don't know if it shows in the camera, you can see the gold come through, and it looks even better than with the gold alone. See, we have our dandelions over here in our tray. I'm gonna give it a clear acrylic coat so I can protect the design. And we have our much needed love here. And this is how it turned out. It's used as a tray as it is intended. I just love the dandelions right now. They have really special meaning for me. And also the much needed love. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them because I got to create something with a lot of meaning to me in this moment. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.